In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the bodyweight tricep extension, and I'm going to be showing you the differences between a bodyweight tricep extension and a close grip push-up. Often the two get very mixed and people get a bit confused with what's what. I'll also show you some regressions as well to make it a little bit easier if you can't do the advanced version. So firstly, both of which emphasize the tricep, so the back of the arm. Now, if I was going to come into a position where I'm doing a close grip push-up, I would start off like so. So a nice high position, my elbows are going to be tucked in to my sides as I come down and push back up. Now, for a bodyweight tricep extension, rather than the hand position being just behind my shoulder, so my wrists being just behind my shoulder or in line with the shoulder, I actually start off with my hands a lot further away from my shoulder, and I've got my elbow directly underneath my shoulder in this example. I come into a plank position. I'm going to bring my hands nice and wide, feet wide as well, and then I'm going to straighten my elbows, come back down, straighten the elbows, come back down. So I can repeat that for my desired amount of repetitions, trying to keep my elbows at the same width between shoulder to shoulder, and then coming up and back down. If you can't do that variation, what you can do is you can come into a position where you're on your knees. You're going to lean forwards. Notice how I've got my feet off the floor. I'm going to come into the same position. This time I'm on my knees. Hands completely spread. And then from here, up, back down. So it's straightening the elbow, bending the elbow, straightening the elbow, bending the elbow. Of course, from there, if you can't do that variation, you can pop your feet down to the floor so you're not leaning as far forward and take off a little bit of body weight when you do the exercise. Of course, you'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and there's a couple of ways that you can start doing your bodyweight tricep extension.